Our weather ready alert continues for wildfire smoke and poor air quality and for the chance tomorrow for some strong or briefly severe storms. But at least on the air quality front, things are improving. Visibility is now around 3 miles or greater for much of West Michigan, which is the highest I've seen it in about 2 days. We do still have some smoke, but it's certainly better than it was. And even looking out into the distance here in Holland, you can't see that haze and the smoke like you could a couple of days ago or even earlier today. So definitely seeing some improvement there. Holland is currently 78 along with Grand Rapids. We're all pretty much in the same boat. It is humid in the upper 70s, and we're probably not going to see our temperatures drop a whole lot through tonight. Air quality is improving. The east side of the state still stuck in that very unhealthy air, but we are either unhealthy or unhealthy for sensitive groups, which is an improvement. And there are even pockets of southwest lower Michigan in the yellow in that moderate air quality, which also is a big improvement. So enjoy it now. We are going to see the smoke lifting through the overnight hours, but then as our cold front pushes in tomorrow and brings back that wind from the north, that pulls all of that smoke right back in. So tomorrow afternoon, we're probably going to end up with moderate to maybe slightly unhealthy air quality, but it will start to get worse into Sunday. It does seem that the thickest smoke plumes will be a little bit further back to the west, but Sunday morning into the afternoon will likely be pretty unpleasant. And if you do have respiratory illnesses or concerns, that's going to be another time to stay inside. You may be able to get away with some outdoor time tomorrow if it doesn't bother you too much. Lows tonight will probably end up falling maybe 3 degrees, putting us at around 72 to 75 and staying partly to mostly cloudy. We have a lot of moisture because a warm front has lifted through, and that's also what's helping to thin the smoke out just a little bit. The cold front part of the system still back to the west, but it's generating some storms into Wisconsin, and as this moves here into the early morning, that's when we'll start to see the chance for our storms to ramp up a little bit. And because it's warm and humid, that gives us at least a small chance for a strong storm. Tomorrow morning, 96, the vicinity of 96 is in the marginal risk in green, that level 1 out of 5. But from 94 south, we're in the slight risk, the level 2 out of 5. And it does look like the storms will get a little bit stronger as we get deeper into the morning. There's a little more energy, and they'll just have an opportunity to provide maybe a gusty wind of 50 to 60 miles an hour or so. Early tomorrow morning, we'll start with some scattered showers. And as all of this presses to the south, we'll see those storms gradually get a little stronger. For the 96 corridor, probably around 9 to 10 a.m. And then from around noon to 2 p.m. as the storms approach the Indiana state line, that is when they will be the strongest, continuing to strengthen as they move out of West Michigan. Behind that cold front is some much drier air. We'll have those dew points back down into the 50s, which is going to feel fantastic, along with a lot of that cooler air. We just have to contend with the wildfire smoke at the same time. As we get into Monday and Tuesday, another system is coming in. This one will also have a decent amount of energy with it, and there is the chance for a few strong to severe storms west of 131 late in the evening and overnight. And behind that system, we'll have high temperatures in the 70s.